My crossbow just came in today and I waited a week for this, so I'm going to do an unboxing again. I waited a week for this. I got this last Sunday. So you call this the PSE Archery Viper SS handheld crossbow. So it's a 50-pound bow and assembly required. And this is definitely not a toy. Okay, let's open it. I'm super excited. Let's take a look. And as always, instructions are very lacking, but I'm familiar with this. Okay, there it is. Here's the good part. Instructions. Oh, I already know how to assemble this, so no problem. It's no big deal. Okay. Wow, I've been wanting this for a while. And your arrows. Your Allen wrench. And here's a stringer. But you know what? I'm not going to need this. I already know how to string the bow, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And here's the front sight. Well, let's see if I can put it together, huh? There we go. Bowstring. Now let's see if I can put it together, huh? Let's put the front sight. Oh, right there. Like that. Yeah, I already know how to assemble this, so it's no big deal. There we go, like that. So this will be my 6th crossbow. Alright, let's see how this goes. There. Okay. There you go, it goes in there. And here's the prod. So it goes like this. Goes like that, and yeah, I know how to put it together. Okay. There you go. Alright, now just go like this. Like that. Whoops, gotta take the pin off. Oh, sorry, no need. There we go, goes like that. Like that. Yeah, that's the most important part right there. Okay, like that. Like that, yeah. Make sure you know what you're doing, you know, when you put it together. There we go, now. There we go. Now, this is the foregrip. Let's see if I can put this on there. Here's the front sight. Let's see. Where's the go on there. Let's see how it goes. You know what? I'll assemble this later. The most important thing is I'm gonna string the bow. Okay, and here's the string, and I'm gonna string it myself, so I'll be right back. And yeah, here's the hard part. This is a lot of people are having a hard time stringing it, but I already know how to do it. So I'll be right back. So here's the string, and I find a way to string this up, so it's no big deal. I found a way to string it without using a stringer or anybody helping me. I'll be right back. there you have it, like that. Found a way to string it. I did not have to use this. I found a way to string the bow without or any kind of tools. So here it is. Now the bow is fully functional. And here's the foregrip. I'll install this later on. And here's the rear sight. I'll put it together, you know, later on. But here it is. Here's the bow, all stringed up, ready to use. There you go. Now it's ready. Yeah, it's ready to be used. And oh, I got this on Midwayusa for a good price. I got it for $39.99 plus shipping. So I got it for over $50 plus tax too. And it came here. Oh, I just got this today. I'm so excited, and I love this thing. So it's a 50-pound bow. I'm gonna do another video on how to string the bow. I'm gonna show you how to string the bow without any kind of help. And that's that. Let's take a look. And that's that.